All right, vlog number 90. Check that out. In this video, I want to tell you about how I got my American flag that's sitting in front of my house. Um, I'll include a photo of what it looks like, but it's just a pole with a flag on it, but it's kind of a tall one. And when we found this house, and we came to look at it, it had this pole with the flag on it, and I really liked it. And I was like, man, I'm gonna get me a flag like that. And so we looked at the house, we bought the house, and when we got the keys and came to start moving in, I noticed that the flag was gone. And I was like, man, that's a bummer. But the hole where the flagpole goes into was still there, obviously. Um, this is this sounds like the anthem, American United States anthem or whatever it's called. but the flag hole was still there. Anyway, so the guy that owned this house before, he was a Marine, decorated Marine. He like they had him and his wife lived in this house, and they had all of his um, awards and all kinds of plaques and medals and stuff on the walls all over the place. Like there's holes in the walls everywhere from screws and little nails and whatnot that his stuff was hanging on. So he was a big military guy, and so he had this flagpole that was really cool, and I really wanted one. And so I thought, once I move in, if he didn't leave it, I'm gonna find me one and get it installed. And so we moved in, and you get busy, and of course I want one, but I don't have time to deal with it, and also it's probably a lot of money, and I don't have the budget for it. So it went on the list of things to get in the future. And then one day, so we stayed in contact with the people that we bought the house from, because we kept getting their mail, so we would forward it to them, and they were friends with all our neighbors, so they would come down and visit them once in a while. Something is blinking. I wonder if my light is going out or battery's low. Well, it looks like I still got 3 dots of battery. Anyway, let me see if I lower it a bit. Anyway, so he texts me one day and he's like, "Hey, do you want my flagpole?" I'm like, "Yes, I want your flagpole." And so they moved to Boise, so it was kind of far, but he's like, "Okay." So he packaged up the pole and shipped it to me. It came in like 2 pieces, or no, it's 3 pieces, but it folds into itself, so it's probably 5 feet tall. Each section is 5 feet tall. So he shipped it to me, and I was so excited when he came, and I unpackaged it and put it into that mount. It was fun. So I went out and got me a flag, put it up there, and now I have a flag. But I asked him, why is he getting rid of his? He said he got a bigger one. He got himself a taller one. This one's already tall. I mean, it's probably gonna look funny, and because I saw the house they bought. They bought basically the same house that we have, except in Boise. Uh, Obviously, it's newer, but I don't know how a taller flagpole will look in front of that house. Maybe I should go and check it out on Google. Actually, I don't know their address, but it'd be fun to see. Anyway, yeah, so now I have this flagpole, and I was thinking to add some other flags to it because there's an attachment for 2 flags, so you can put one on top, and there's a hookup for a second one. And I was thinking to put an Estonian flag up there because I really like it. The Estonian flag, it's what is it, blue, black, and white. So I always liked those colors, that color of the flag. But now I don't know. They're getting so, Estonia is getting so political and so woke, and just I don't want that flag to represent their politics. I just wanted to show my love for Estonia, which I don't really have any. But I've always liked that flag. Even when I was living in Estonia, I always liked that flag. I always drew it on paper, and I painted it on my bike. So, yeah. And then I thought, Idaho flag, that's kind of dumb. I don't know. I thought maybe to put something funny up there. But I don't want that hanging next to the American flag and kind of making it into a joke. But anyway, so for now, I'm just going to let it be. So in the last, how long have we been here? Since 2015. So that's almost 10 years. I guess 9 years. We've been here for 9 years. I had to replace the flag 4 times. Maybe 5 times. So because of winds, it gets really worn out. And I take it down and fold it up, put it in a Ziploc bag. And there's a place in Coeur d'Alene, there's like a veteran something. And they have a place where you bring your used flag, and they take care of it. Basically, I'm not sure what the process is, but they take care of it. But it's nice that I know where it is, because it would suck to have to look for it. Yeah, that's it. That's my story about my flag. I really like it. I am very grateful that the previous owner thought about, because I told him that I really liked it, and I'm glad he thought about me, thought of me when he was gonna get rid of it, and that he spent the money to ship it to me. That was nice. I'm sure it wasn't cheap. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. And I appreciate you watching it even to this end. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Thank you so much. Okay, have a good one. See you in the next one.